Hi Savi, lots of wishes to score your 79 plus in the PTE academic exam. So right now I am sharing your
Thank you so
scorecard.
much, sir.
I am sharing your scorecard here. And okay, 1 second. Yeah, this is your scorecard. And definitely I will
Yes,
hide your personal information when I will upload it. And here we can see that you have scored speaking 86, writing 79 over, and despite your requirement was 65, right? But still, definitely the score is
yes, sir.
very, it is splendid. So I have few questions for that will may help to other candidates also who are preparing for PT exam and they are struggling somewhere in listening or writing. So for their help, I am asking few questions. Okay. So first of
Yes,
all,
sir.
I want to know that how much time did you take to prepare this exam?
I took only 1 month.
Okay, total 1 month. Okay, and
Yes.
what the study material did you use for the preparation?
Only whatever you gave me, the study material, only that material I just practiced.
Okay, so the most important question is here that why did you choose super achievers for the preparation?
Ah, actually, my husband, he took coaching from you 4 years back. That is
Okay,
my reason for my decision.
and where are you in these days?
I am in Melbourne, in Australia,
Okay, for last how many years?
since last 4 years.
Okay, so why did you appear for this exam? Did you?
Actually, yeah, I'm an overseas dentist. Now I have to be practiced as a dentist here in Australia also. For my registration purpose, I means appear for this exam.
Mm. Okay, okay. So you have the PR there?
Yes, yes. Now we will become the citizens within 6 months.
Okay. Okay, means next year. Okay, okay, that's
Yes.
wonderful. Okay, so I want to get your experience for this PT academic exam and the preparation with us. So if we are talking about the exam, so how would you like to rate this exam? Is it easy exam or difficult exam? Or candidate require a short preparation, or if the person do not have very strong English, some person
Yes.
have a lot of problem to pronounce, some are in writing or to generate ideas. So would you
Mm-hmm.
like to recommend this exam to them?
Means it's all about strategy we follow, and
Hmm.
and we have to. It's all about actually practice also. It's not like this. If I practice for 1 month and I will pass, I have done a lot of practice, a lot.
Hmm. Means
That
you
is
are
the
saying
main
if a
key
person means
to
you are
succeed
saying
in
if a
an exam.
means you are saying if a person has average class of English, so still if the tips or techniques are reasonable, the person can score, right? Okay. Some people
Yes,
ask
sir.
me, sir, the
Yes.
class,
Because
the
my English is not that great, but I school.
Hmm. Some people ask me, sir, I have challenged to understand English language. So what will be the medium of the session? It will be Hindi or English. So what was our medium of session when we क्या मैं हिंदी में भी लेक्चर देता था?
No, no, it's mostly in English only. In
Hmm.
English only.
Only English. Okay. Okay. And the other things here, uh, that what the problem did you face? What the challenges did you face? What the problem, what the challenges did you face in this PT exam?
Firstly, mainly there is a time issue. We have to finish our few tasks like in the reading and in listening on time. That we have to practice a lot. Otherwise, we have to for speaking. Again, we need to practice and writing whatever you told strategies. If we follow those strategies for speaking and in all the means for all this sessions, then it will be fine.
Okay. And do you have okay? And do you have any suggestion for the prosperous candidates? What the candidate need to take care whenever they are doing preparation? and whenever they are appearing the exam?
Yes. So actually, we should be very motivated. We should be relaxed on the same day, means on the exam day, because stress make a big difference. If we are in stress, we cannot concentrate on the speaking or the listening task. We cannot concentrate because stress overcome our capabilities.
Okay, and when did you appear for this exam? It is
And this Tuesday.
Tuesday. And when the result had populated?
Yes.
When the result has populated?
I just got it like on the second day.
Second day means
Today.
Tuesday. Means Tuesday you have appeared for the exam.
Yeah, on the next only on the
On the Wednesday you got the result.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and okay. Okay, once again, lots of wishes to you, and thanks for your time. Thanks to believe on us, and definitely it
Thank you,
was a
sir.
very interesting journey with you to score the 79 plus, despite your requirement was 65. So definitely you were targeting the 65. You were not
Yes.
ready to take the stress was 79. But definitely,
Yes.
and
I
but
was
this was
targeting.
my motive that you should score 79. But if definitely, I believe that you would be
Yes.
mentally ready for to score 79, then you are a candidate who can score 90 plus, because you were dedicating yourself for the preparation. You
Yes.
were
Yes.
not using your mind that I need to go on the forum, I need to go with the friend, I need to go on the YouTube. You have eliminated all those sources. And congratulations once again to your husband Mandeep also.